You're not lazy or weak-willed. Your brain is running an ancient trick every time you grab that phone instead of finishing the one thing on your desk. That itch to check your phone isn't really about the notification itself. It's the small hit of anticipation firing seconds before you even unlock the screen to look. Meet dopamine. Not the reward chemical everyone claims, but the molecule your brain releases purely to make you crave what happens next, whether it's worth craving or not. Notice how a snack break sneaks in the moment work gets hard. Your brain is hunting for any smaller, faster reward than the big, scary task ahead. Every time you glance at your phone, a neural pathway fires a burst of anticipation, teaching your brain, checking feels better than finishing. So the phone buzzes once, and your hand moves before the mind even decides anything. The trick working exactly as designed, hijacking attention before logic gets a vote. Even half asleep in bed, the glow still keeps pulling you back toward one more small flicker of something maybe worth checking again. Here's the loop. Cue, then craving, then response, then reward, spinning faster each pass, making the task on your desk feel a little more unbearable each time. Meanwhile, the real work just sits there untouched. Starting, it offers no anticipation at all, just a blank page daring you to begin. You wander to the kitchen again, telling yourself it's a 5-minute break. Really, your brain is just buying another lap of anticipation before finally facing the boring part. Researchers keep confirming that anticipating a reward lights up dopamine harder than actually getting it, so finishing never really competes with almost maybe checking your phone. So the loop tightens, phone glowing brighter as the task shrinks smaller, until one small chore swallows an entire afternoon you can't account for. Dopamine isn't chasing the phone, it's craving uncertainty, so make the task itself feel uncertain, and your brain will follow that instead. That's the moment it clicks. You weren't failing at willpower. You just let the wrong thing hijack your only steady source of anticipation. So you try something small. 2 minutes on the real task. No pressure to finish. Short enough that even your distraction-hungry brain can't argue its way out. You step outside instead of endlessly scrolling, notebook in hand, and something quietly shifts. The anticipation now points at a real idea, not a screen. Phone face down, you write one real sentence, then another. Curiosity about your own unfinished thought turns out stronger than any notification. Back at the desk, the task is finally done. Phone, quiet, beside it. You were never lazy, just pointed at the wrong kind of uncertainty the whole time.